Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to download the Pegasus Airlines app on your smartphone. Pegasus Airlines is a low-cost carrier from Turkey. So whether you are a frequent flyer or planning for your next trip, having the Pegasus Airlines app on your phone comes very handy to manage your travels and get cheap flights. So we're going to look through how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Pegasus Airlines. You'll see the Pegasus Airlines app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see the second option, Pegasus Cheap Flight Tickets, developed by Pegasus Airlines. So this is the official app. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll find an install button if you're using an Android device, or a get button if you're using an iPhone. Tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. Tap on open. So from here, if you already have an account, you can sign in using your credentials. If not, you can sign up for a new account by clicking on Join Now. And there you go. You've successfully downloaded the Pegasus Airlines app. Now take some time to explore its features by logging in. You can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. So happy travels! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.